Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use isometric grids in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is come here to the top and click on View, and then from here I want you to click on Grid and Axis, and here what I need you to do is click on Advanced and change the grid type to isometric. Now here what we can do is change the grid line color to make it more visible. I'll just make it black for now. And if I go ahead and close this, after creating a plane set, you will see that we now have grid lines, and I can choose what the current plane looks like. So it can be like this. I can change this to top. And what you can also do, by the way, is if you come to grid and axis, you can change it to cube as well. And if I go and adjust this, you can change the view. But what I'll do, I'll just keep it at advanced and use these settings. Of course, you can change this further if you want. If you would like the angle to change, you can do that as well from here. You just have to go ahead and adjust the cube angle a little bit, and now you should be able to play around with the angle as well. I'll just keep it at 15 degrees, and what we will do now is draw a shape. So make sure edit in plane is toggled on. Now what we will do is use this tool, and we'll use the rectangle tool here and just draw out a shape. So as you can see, this will be the top of our cube, and we'll go ahead and let it drag out till here, and then we can draw the front. So we'll do the same thing here. We'll come down here and start drawing the front part. We'll just go ahead and make this snap to the top side, and of course you can change the colors as well. So here I can adjust the color to different colors, and finally we will do the same thing for this side. So we'll go ahead and draw one here and adjust the color a little bit so that we can see the difference. But that is how to use isometric grids in Affinity Studio. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.